Hello friends, in our last lecture we will discuss about classification of kingdom Animalia, and in our today's lecture we will discuss about characteristics of phylum Annelida. See, the name of phylum Annelida itself suggests its meaning because annuli, it means the ring-like structures. So the animals which are having ring-like structures on their body, they are classified under the phylum Annelida. Now we'll study their characteristics. These animals are triploblastic. Triploblastic, it means they are having three germ layers: endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm. All these three germ layers are present, therefore they are called as a triploblastic animals. Next is, they show bilateral symmetry. Bilateral, it means these animals, the body can divide into the two equal halves at one of the axis. Therefore, they show bilateral symmetry. Next, they are true coelomate animals. Coelom, it means true body cavity. Their body cavity, that is coelom, is lined by the mesoderm. Therefore, they are true coelomate animals. Next, they show metameric segmentation. As we studied, they are having annuli, that means ring-like structures. So these structures, they are true. It means externally they are visible as well as internally they are also true. They show compartment in their body. Therefore, they show metameric segmentation. These animals, they show well-developed organ system. Now we'll see about their skin. Their skin is somewhat brownish in color because presence of one of the pigment, that is porphyrin. All of you know the color of earthworm, color of leeches. It is mostly dark brownish in color. That color is because of the pigment, that is porphyrin. The skin is made up by three layers. The outer layer is known as a cuticle. The middle one is known as epidermis, and inner layer is known as a muscularis. So the outer one is a cuticle, it is the outermost layer, and because of the presence of this cuticle, that animal always remains moist because cuticle layer, it contains mucus. Middle layer is a epidermis. This layer is just like our skin, and the inner layer is a muscularis because it is made up by different kinds of muscles like longitudinal muscles, circular muscles, and these muscles help them in a different kinds of movement. Now, next we'll study about their different systems. Now, first of all, their digestive system. These annelids, they show tube within a tube body pattern. It means, see, it is their outer layer. Outer layer, it means their peritoneum, and inside that they show their digestive system. If it is a mouth, it is a anus. It means they show complete digestive system, and this is called as a tube within a tube pattern. So these animals, they show tube within a tube body pattern, and their digestive system is a complete and it is a well developed. Next to that, about their excretory system. These animals, they are mostly ammonotelic or ureotelic. Depend on their habitat. Those who are living in a water, means wherever most of the water is present, or in a muddy area, they show ammonotelism, and other they show ureotelism. This excretory structures called as a nephridia. These nephridia are of three types: septal nephridia, pharyngeal nephridia, and integumentary nephridia. These septal nephridia, pharyngeal and integumentary nephridia, these are present on different regions of their body and they do the functions of excretion. Next system is a respiratory system. For the respiration, they are not having a specific kind of organs, but they show cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous respiration, it means they show respiration through their skin. It is called as a cutaneous respiration. Next is about their nervous system. See, the nervous system is very specific. It is made up by one of the nerve ring and the nerve cord. This nerve ring is called as a circumpharyngeal ganglia. See, if it is their pharyngeal region, on their dorsal side, one of the ganglion is present and on their ventral side, one of the ganglion is present and both the ganglion, they are connected by one of the ring-like structure. Therefore, whatever this ring-like structure is formed, it's called as a circumpharyngeal ganglion. Even it is also called as a nerve ring. And the same nerve ring is continue from the ventral side in the form of their nerve cord. So the nervous system is made up by the nerve ring and nerve cord. In each of this segment, this nerve cord is from the nerve cord, different nerves are arises which innervate in a different organs of the body. Next system is a reproductive system. Some annelids, they are unisexual while some are hermaphrodite. Unisexual, it means they are either male or female, and mostly this unisexuality we can see in a nereis. Nereis, these are the aquatic animals. This hermaphrodite, it means both male and female sex organs are present in a same body. But for reproduction, they always show cross fertilization. They are hermaphrodite, but at a time only one system can be mature. Mostly, first of all, male reproductive system becomes mature, they release sperm, and after that female reproductive system is mature. Therefore, for reproduction, they always show cross fertilization. Even two animals are required, even though both systems are present in a same body. Hermaphroditism, it is mostly present in the earthworm and the leeches. This phylum Annelida is divided into the three classes, that is Polychaeta, Oligochaeta and Hirudinea. And in this, different annelids, they are classified. So in this way, today we will discuss about the characteristics of phylum Annelida. So thank you friends.